If you're looking for a dream home with a magnificent skyline view, this majestic detached house at the exclusive Frankel estate is not to be missed. Hi, I'm Lucy Lee from OrangeTee, the AAG. Today I'll be presenting to you a design house of classic elegance and contemporary style that sits on the high top elevated land of approximately 7,945 square feet with a gross floor area of 8,100 square feet. This two-story house with attic, basement and swimming pool comes with 6 fully ensuite bedrooms and an attic which is thoughtfully laid out and exquisitely designed. The house was reinterpreted with modern features such as overhanging eaves and solar panels. At the foyer on the first level, we are pleasantly greeted by a well-manicured garden and a lovely pavilion. Standing by the main door is a beautiful and stylish entrance with an Italian chandelier, definitely impressive to the eyes. Looking ahead, the picturesque sight of the dazzling pool and trees makes everyone fall in love with this house. The elements of a warm ambience of the house are present: the broad verandas, balconies, and the use of natural ventilation. The interior spaces are generous and flexible to ease into everyday living. Indoor gym room can be converted to a music or playroom. Surrounding the pool are the wet and dry kitchen, a private dining room, an outdoor fitness corner, and a car porch. Well-designed ramp for the side gate allows easy access by wheelchair or trolleys. Moving on to second level, we bring you to the master bedroom and its opulent luxe master bathroom, featuring a rejuvenating spa bathtub, a fabulous walk-in wardrobe with an island display cabinet, and a lovely balcony for relaxation. There are also balconies in the other two en-suites and piano room. Looking down from the balcony is the lovely sight of the pool. On the other wing, it houses the entire junior en-suite with a full lounge area and a spacious bathroom. This junior en-suite can be converted to 2 bedrooms. The attic level consists of a chic and stylish office and a library with a powder room. Be enchanted by the magnificent skyline and aerial panoramic view of the exclusive surrounding from the top floor gazebo. From here, you can spot Kembangan MRT, which is just a 7 minutes walk away. Bakeries, cafes, restaurants, shops and parks are also a stone throw away. You also enjoy quick access to PIE and ECP. Good schools surrounds this property, with St. Stephen's School basically next door. Coming back to the basement, the home theater and the entertainment room welcome family and friends for a joyful gathering in a warm and cozy ambience. The helper's room and attached bathroom is designed with a workstation which is tucked at a corner, allowing privacy for the family. Please call Lucy Louie 9663-2218 and Dennis call 9773-9779 for an exclusive viewing. Thank you for watching.